Ever wondered how to turn your Facebook activity into a lucrative venture? Welcome to today's detailed exploration of Facebook monetization. I'm Tech Gati, eager to guide you through the vast potential that Facebook offers for enhancing your income. Our first stop on this journey is the diverse monetization tools Facebook offers. From the bustling Facebook marketplace to the engaging ad breaks and informative instant articles, we'll dissect each feature, explaining how you can use them to your advantage. Next, we'll delve into the art of crafting a magnetic Facebook page. This digital home of your brand needs to resonate with your audience. We'll traverse each step of creating an engaging page, including choosing the right category, designing captivating visuals, and crafting compelling content. Now, let's master the Facebook marketplace. Far from being merely a platform for offloading unwanted items, it's a thriving hub for businesses. You'll learn how to list products effectively, use keywords for SEO, engage with customers, and utilize marketplace insights to optimize your strategies. Moving on, we explore the profitable world of Facebook ad breaks and sponsored content. Understand the prerequisites for these features, discover how to create content that attracts sponsors, and learn to seamlessly integrate ads without disrupting your audience's experience. Facebook groups offer another avenue for revenue. These community hubs can be transformed into revenue generators. You'll learn how to create or join niche groups, engage members, utilize affiliate marketing, and promote your products or services effectively. An engaged audience is the backbone of Facebook monetization. We'll delve into strategies for audience growth, including content planning, consistency, interaction, and harnessing Facebook analytics. Soon, you'll see how SEO-friendly practices and keeping up with social media trends can boost your visibility. Data drives the digital world. In our final section, we'll show you how to interpret Facebook insights to understand your audience better, refine your content strategy, and make data-driven decisions that propel growth and increase your earnings potential. And with that, we conclude our comprehensive guide to earning money with Facebook. It's my hope that these insights and strategies empower you to transform your Facebook presence into a profitable venture. If you found value in this video, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share it with your network. Your support helps us bring more enlightening content your way. This is Tech Gati, wishing you success in all your digital endeavors. Until our next rendezvous, keep exploring, keep earning,